Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a Zeta login problem. Zeta is a widely used digital banking and expense management app that allows users to access cards, payments and account services. And however, many users sometimes face Zeta app login problems such as OTP not received, login failed, app stuck on loading or unable to sign in. And if you're facing a Zeta login issue, this video will help you fix it quickly and safely. So first, what you have to do is you need to check your internet connection. Zeta requires a stable connection to log in properly. You can switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, turn on the airplane mode on and off, and avoid the VPNs or the weak public network, and then reopen the Zeta app. And also update the Zeta app. An outdated app may not support the login, and to do that you can go to your app store, find out the Zeta app and make sure to open to this official Zeta app from the finance. Here you can select update if available, and after that you can restore the app after updating. And sometimes login issue happen due to the server maintenance, heavy traffic and wait minutes. And that's it. That's how you can fix to your Zeta login problem easily. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.